Yo guys, look what I got in the mail. I know it just kind of looks like a package, which it is, but don't drop that. It's very, very fragile. Some bill payment. But the most important thing, Densco oxygen sensor for my Subaru, because it went out. Gotta check engine light for it, so gonna have to install this part here. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna kind of unpackage it here, make sure it looks like the right one, stuff like that. This is what she looks like. That's the connector for it. The Densco sensor, that's what's in it now, so that's what I got. So guys, I got on me some work jeans and a 22mm open in and close in wrench. Plan is to put around the wire, this end, put it down, the old one, take it off. Then, new one, just connect that up. Once I get that on there, after I put the Densco C's and all that stuff on it. But it is really rainy out here, so I'm going to try to do it in the carport. Alrighty guys, it is quite windy out here. Sorry for the wind noise. Got my camera, I guess, and show you down here. It definitely is windy, and it definitely eventually do want to clean all this, but down right here is my cable I need to take out. So right in here, oh gosh, you couldn't see that. Right in here is where it is. The connector. So let's get that thing out of there. Alrighty guys, gonna have to crawl underneath here. We're not gonna jack her up or anything, we're just gonna slide underneath here and get it. So yeah, see how hard it is. Where is it now? Right here. Right here's my wrench. So we're gonna kind of break loose, then we should be good. Alrighty guys, I think I broke her loose. Now I gotta get under there and see if we can get her off. Ugh. Guys, I know you probably don't know the struggle of this, but I'm trying to film and get this thing off at the same time. Probably can see that thing is loose, but it's really hard to film underneath the car like this. Didn't come off too difficult necessarily. I do a little tugging. I also realized that my brakes aren't on right now. My parking brake ain't, because this car's rolling as I push it on it. That's what she looks like. Whew. Let's get her taken off up there and put a new one in here. Get this clip before because it was so dang tight, but now it shouldn't be that difficult to get the cable up here. Okay, there it is. Trying to film as best as possible, guys. Just leave me alone here. There's little clip. Let me see if I can get light on. There's little clips down here you gotta take them off of that just bend in and bend out. Hoping that I can just kind of pull this thing gently out of where it was. Make this thing a lot easier to get out. Okay, there we are. So guys, I got it out. What it is it's a clip right here. Right here. You push this clip up is how you get that out. So this is the old one. Put that on the porch and compare it to the new one here. It's in here. Brake. And the new one is a Densco O2 sensor. One should work, and by the way, I locked the other side. That's why I always keep that door locked. So we'll compare them. Alrighty, one's here, one's right here. We're gonna have to put some anti-seize on it, and hopefully it threads straight in. I mean, this one came out really nicely. As you can see, the threads are not bad, so I'm going to hope that when I put the new one in, those are going to be just as good. They are a little bit different on the heading, but they are about the same there. Let's take this black stuff off. The connectors are the exact same, so that's good. And as you can see, probably about the exact same size here, so that means they should fit pretty dang good. This one should. The new one. We're not putting the old one in. This is what the new one looks like. It's a Densco. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on it and then put it in the car. Okay. Put some anti-seize on it. Don't need a heck of a lot, but we need enough to get in these threads. Does have a crush washer, I think, somewhere on it. It's supposed to be, it said. Okay, that should be about enough. Put a little bit more here. It's all the way around it, so we're gonna thread it back in there and then connect it back up, and we should be good to go on a little test drive. Crawl back under here and put it back in. Thread her through the exact same way she was going before down there, so that should be good. I may want to throw it through this hole because I think that may work a little bit better. Alright guys, so if you thread it through this other hole, it comes on this other side here. Let me get the light on again. Well, I use my phone because anyways it comes through this tunnel right here. But you want it on this tunnel. So you do have to put it back to where it was. So, yeah, but put her back to where she was here. Alrighty, so we got her in there. That thing, once it's put in there, so I have to twist this wire up ahead because it's not working very well. Get her a little bit more tight. And we'll be done. I think I got all the stuff out of my... I've done it before. I've left tools in my vehicle. Let's see, we got her all connected into here, this harness. And down there it's connected, so... Start her up and see if she runs. Hopefully she will. Okay. Does seem a little bit higher, but we're gonna go down the road a little bit and see if she drives all right. Now she's getting to a good idle. Go down the road, and also we'll go to work today with it and see if it works out good. Put down the hood and we'll go for a test drive. Alrighty, we're gonna set you there. No check engine light. So that's a bonus. Usually it's right here. Third, no check engine light. So that is a bonus. My fuel economy should go back up though again. There for a while it was down. Well, that feels a lot better to drive. Thing's a lot more responsive. I like it. It's like a mod in itself right there. Shifting good, everything. Your RPMs are a lot better. Should save some fuel economy. That should be better, your fuel economy, because if it's bad, then probably was getting worse fuel economy here. Turn around here. Turn around here. Really good response, so I think it helped my motor out drive a little bit better. Check the mail here. Anyways, guys, I'll see you a little bit later. That's her installed in here. That's what she looks like now.